So we all know that the digital economy today is exploding. Things like AI, cybersecurity, Web3, automation data is everywhere. And with great power comes great responsibility. I would like to tweak it a little bit. In case of our software industry, it is also with great power comes great accountability. And as technology expands across borders, so do the laws that govern it. Frameworks like GDPR, HIPAA, and SOC2 are just to name a few, which a lot of standard organizations must comply in order to operate globally and ethically. So that's where PolicyMate steps in. It's your co-pilot for compliance. It helps you identify, flag, and fix compliance issues faster so your team can focus on innovation instead of paperwork. So let me quickly start with the chat window. I can start with what can you do? So here is a summary, like what is the capabilities, annotations, which is important part of, switch to interactive mode. And we'll see that. Then you also have framework controls, like if you want to switch to another commonly used framework. And we also get some suggested next actions. So I can view annotations, draft data processing agreement, or run GDPR analysis. Let's quickly start with running GDPR analysis. And because streaming is not enabled, so we are flowing with the, UI loaders. So here I get the response of, like overall analysis, how things are looking and what are the critical issues, what are the issues for particular categories, like what are the particular GDPR control units which are missing and all those details. And then the key observations. And then it also suggests me, start with drafting a new policy. So I can just start and try this. Okay, sometimes it does fail. Let me try again. Okay, so after a long process, this is what we get. This is the type, framework, issues addressed, overall word count, and like what are the mandatory fields, articles, and everything. And this is the summary, and then this is the placeholders that can be updated. So yeah, I mean, using this, we can actually implement and basically test things out, like how the review should be end-to-end process and everything. And then we can have some other further actions that could be taken. So that was all about the chat window. Now let me pick another document and start the live analysis to demonstrate you how live analysis works. Just imagine the case where you want to dive deeper and you want it to be more interactive. Like in chat window, you don't see everything, but in live analysis, you have the ability to see the document and follow up accordingly. So let it load and then we can see. So this is just a demo document. You can see that it creates this annotation, and this is all generated at the backend through our annotations agent. And if you want to understand what it is for, we can always click on this and click on the annotation. And then we can see, what is it's flagged as important and why it's flagged. It says that policy does not specify the format, timelines, or procedure for fulfilling data subjects and all. So yeah, I mean, we can actually go through these, and because this is just a dummy document, based on all the findings that it has, it will highlight all those sections, and we can also chat about it, like what's going on. So this is the overall verdict for GDPR 17.1, and these are the checklists and everything. So that's the idea of interactive tool, and we can always switch to and fro between interactive and normal mode. So that was all about our compliance copilot. I hope you like this idea. We were very excited and we learned a lot of things while building this project.